Hi, Dallas here with ProPhone, and in this video we're going to be going over the connections area inside of ProFlow. Now the connections area is designed to give you an overview of all the services that you are integrated with and all your accounts, okay? So when I say all your accounts, I mean basically you can have multiple integrations into the same service. So you can have like 3 different Google Sheets connections, 4 different Gmails, It's designed to give you a whole overview of all of them, okay? We have the table right here. The table has the app icon, which if you hover over it, gives you the name. Okay. We have the display name. The display name is what you set whenever you connect your account to that service. So like if I connected Dallas Reynolds Homes Inc., I would click connect, do my authorization, and then I would give it a name. I can have another one for the same thing called Dallas Reynolds Homes or Dallas Reynolds Real Estate, another one for ProPhone, same thing for Gmail. I can have multiple of those, multiple ProPhones. Well, actually, generally you'll have multiple ProPhones because you're in your ProPhone account, but you get what I'm saying. But yeah, so we have the display name, which you set when you connect. The status gives you an idea of the status of that connection to the integration. So basically, like active means everything's good to go, there's no issues. Then you have missing, which means you started a connection and stopped. And then you have error, which means there's a problem with the connection. And generally that's going to be you either changed the password for that service or you've regenerated an API key or something. It's generally something to do with the authorization. And if that ever happens, you can go over here, just click on the reconnect icon and basically just click, here's your connection name. You can click connect and then basically just reconnect to it and then you'll be good to go. Okay. You have the edit, rename, or you can, rename icon here. Click on that. You can rename the piece or rename your service connection. That way you can get an idea of what it is. So like this says Dallas Reynolds Homes Inc. I can change it to just Dallas, whatever. Right. Just helps you stay organized. This one's fairly easy to go over. Sorry for my stuttering. Okay, we're back to normal. You can filter your connections up here in the status, like I just showed you. You can filter by active, missing, error. You can filter by the the piece itself, the automation piece. So like I can go in here to ProPhone. See? Clear filters. And then we have display name, which you can search by the display name itself. On the table, you can organize how many appear in each page by clicking on this. And then to basically create a connection, you can click New Connection here, and you can search any of our over 500 integrations and connect to it. Like, for example, if I wanted to do, let's say, I don't know, let's just pull up ProPhone, because I feel like this one's a good one to go over because you'll want to know how to do that. Click on ProPhone. And then what you'll do is you'll copy and paste your API key from your settings area. I'm not going to go to it because I don't want to expose my API key. But you click on this, you'll click on copy, and then you'll paste it here and save it. Just give you a name that you want. You can call it your company name, your name, whatever you want. And then from there on out, you'll be able to use the ProPhone automation inside of your Flow system. You can also connect to applications inside of the Flow Builder as you add them. So if I click on New Flow from scratch, let's click on Google Sheets. Click select the connection. Mine already exists because I already have it, but you can click create connection. Same exact modal pop-up I was showing you guys earlier. You can give it a name, go and click connect. When you click connect and click save, it'll automatically save to your connections table and it will appear here. And then you can use it and then go ahead and start using it. Same thing for triggers. It's no different. It's just the trigger is what starts your automation. Okay. And not every application will be in the trigger, only the applications that have a trigger that can be called to cause the flow to happen, okay? Most of the time, it's going to be a lot of actions, but triggers are going to be more or less event-oriented, like, webhooks and stuff like that. Anyways, you can watch the video going over the Flow Builder, and we'll go over that more in depth. But that is the connections area. If you guys have any questions at all, feel free to submit a support ticket by simply clicking on the drop down in your or profile drop down right here. I don't have it in my account because I'm the system admin. My support center is inside the admin panel. But you'll see a help and support option here. Click on that, and then you'll see a submit a support ticket, report a bug or request a feature. You can do any one of those. It'll come to my support center. I'll review it. You can submit screenshots, stuff like that. But yeah, I can definitely make sure you're taken care of and squared away. And I hope you guys enjoy this platform, and I will see you in the next video.